Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks.
No problem.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you, too.
Are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yeah, I just moved to this city last week. Everything is still new for me.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's pretty nice. The city is busy, but I like the energy.
That's true. It can be busy, but there are also many fun places.
What about you? Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away. I come here often.
That's great. It must be nice to have a place like this close to home.
Yes, it's my favorite cafe.
So, what do you do? Are you working or studying?
I work as an English teacher at a local school.
Really? That's awesome. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy helping students learn and improve.
That sounds very meaningful.
What about you? What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. I design logos and social media content.
That's interesting. Do you work in an office?
Sometimes, but mostly I work from home.
That sounds comfortable.
Yeah, it is, but sometimes it gets a little boring.
I understand. It's good to meet people and talk like this.
Exactly.
So, why did you move here?
I got a new job opportunity. I wanted to try something different.
That's a brave decision.
Thanks. I was a little nervous at first.
That's normal. Moving to a new place is not easy.
Yes, but I think it will be a good experience.
I'm sure it will be.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books and visiting new places.
That's nice. I like traveling too.
Really? Where have you traveled?
I've been to a few cities, but I want to travel more.
Same here. Traveling is a great way to learn new things.
I agree.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax, watch movies, or go out with friends.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like to visit cafes, read books, or sometimes just rest at home.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it is.
Do you come here every day?
Not every day, but often. Maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
That's nice. Maybe I'll start coming here too.
You should! It's a great place to relax.
I'm glad I met you today.
Me too. It's nice to meet new people.
Do you have any recommendations for places to visit in the city?
Yes, there are many. You should visit the park near downtown. It's very beautiful.
That sounds good. I'll check it out.
Also, there's a great restaurant near here. The food is amazing.
Nice. I love trying new food.
If you want, I can show you around sometime.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem.
By the way, do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Maybe we can stay in touch.
Sure, that sounds good.
Here, I'll give you my number.
Thanks, I'll save it.
It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
Same here, Jake. I enjoyed our conversation.
I hope we meet again soon.
Yes, definitely.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay, take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.